Wait till you see this, my friend. It is going to rock your world. You know when you buy all those random kitchen appliances and tools and you think, oh, this is such a great idea, but then you don't actually ever use it? Well, this is not gonna be one of those. Oh, and by the way, if you love all natural cleaning, you're definitely gonna love this. I had a different video planned for you here today, but then I was taking a shower and look at how nasty that is. How about on this side? Yes, my friend. And Mama do not want to be scrubbing and getting on her hands and knees and doing all that sort of thing. Look at there. This is not sponsored. I've made a previous video on this, but it's been over a year. Look at the cord length on this. I'm going to show you a bunch of different ways to use this. The amount of money that you spend on your cleaners, this will make up for it. And in fact, this is really reasonably priced for everything that it can do. In fact, this is the price of about 4 Starbucks oat milk lattes. Crazy to think. I put the hose on and then I attach my little grout brush right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to give it a little steam shot, and then I use this tool to just scrape away. Now ideally you would have one hand on the trigger right there, but it's holding the camera, and then one hand using that. But look at how easy that came out. No chemicals, especially in your shower when it gets steamy in here. You do not want all those nasty vapors getting up in ya. Look at this one right here. Gave it a little shot with the steam. It would hurt your ears tremendously. And watch that disappear. Yes! So much better. Remember this one? Gone in like 2 seconds. Do you see all this pink in here? Bad for your health. That looks so good. Here's the beauty of this. You don't have to make a paste. You don't have to put cleaners on something and then rinse it off. It's just plug it in and you go. You know those yellow and pink rings that you can get around your drain? Attach this fun tool. Gone in like 2 seconds. Works better than any household cleaner. Amazing in bathtubs, especially when you bathe in here. It's nice to have an all natural cleaning tool, but look at around there. Nasty, but not anymore. Can you see this brown yellow line in my bathtub? Yep, all that right there. I can't believe I'm gonna show you this, but how about an electric toothbrush? And I rinse this out every day, but it still gets real nasty around the rim in here. Much better. Baseboards and trim, much better. By the way, if you're looking for an excellent shower hook that actually stays on your walls without any glue, it's pure suction. This one is absolutely amazing. I'll link it in the description box below, along with anything else that I talk about. Lots of pretty different colors too. You can steam your clothes. I just steamed this new winter coat that I got from Amazon during the Amazon Live Prime event. By the way, my husband and I go live every Friday at 1 p.m. Central Standard if you are interested in watching that. Look at this vent, how nasty it is. I have tried everything to get that clean other than taking it off the wall, which I did not want to do, and putting it in my dishwasher, which is an amazing hack. But look at that. Before, after, and done. Didn't want that side to feel left out. No joke, this is in our kitchen. My husband and I would walk past this once a week and say, you clean it, no you clean it, no you clean it. I guess I won, or lost, depending upon how you look at it. I love cleaning though, so for me it's a win. Now this one is fun. Don't mind my dead tipped over plant right there. Ah, much better. You can also use the steamer attachment to clean your furniture. So many different tools. This one's for windows, which is great when it comes to this Bissell Steamshot. I highly recommend. Ooh, this mudroom door would be fun to tackle. Again, this is not sponsored. I have never done a sponsored video on this channel. You owe it to yourself, the amount of time that you are gonna save using this baby right here. And Christmas is just around the corner. It's great for you. It's great for a gift. Oh, and did I mention it's super fun to use? Cleaning and fun all in one, who knew? Now, if you wanna see this Tinco iFloor in action, this is my absolute favorite cleaning product when it comes to your floors. It vacuums, it mops. I currently have a giveaway going on right now in this video. I will link it in the description box below. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.